Hi everyone, my name is Hulisani Mabote and I am the LMS administrator for Nissan Academy. I joined the team close to 3 years ago and that's when I got to work with New Leaf Technologies. I knew about New Leaf Technologies when I learned about the e-learning in Daba. However, I only got to work with them when I joined the Nissan Academy team.
New Leaf Technologies are proud to work with Nissan South Africa and the Nissan Training Academy. Since 2018, we have helped develop and deliver hundreds of hours of highly interactive and engaging content to their vast network of dealerships, resulting in an increase in learner uptake.
The role that New Leaf Technology plays with developing content for the team has been significant, as this has allowed us to be able to reach wide to our network, to our dealer network from South Africa all the way across to the borders of Africa as we develop e-learning content for the whole dealer network. The whole development process of the Qashqai was very interesting because I could see the possibilities that New Leaf has actually brought to the team as they developed videos, 3D artificial videos. Instead of using a car, they actually built videos for us to make use of, and they were able to catch all of the important elements of the product. And this was very interesting, and it was nice to see the possibilities of e-learning as well as video making. The feedback from the learners has also been great. Looking at, as I mentioned, the whole videos that were created for Qashqai, it was very interesting for them to only know afterwards that those were actually done via 3D model and not necessarily the actual car. I will definitely give you guys a rating of 10 because the experience has been great from the very beginning. Also being able to get a hold of you guys to support us in making whatever changes that we would need to make, and you guys ensuring that, New Leaf ensuring that the whole process from the beginning right up until the end, the project is properly done. So I definitely give you guys a rating of 10.
Nissan leverages the flexibility of e-learning to offer training to their dealer staff at any time of the day. They ensure that their learners have timely and accurate information through captivating content. Their learners can access the content from anywhere and anytime, enabling them to provide their customers with the best service.
New Leaf Technologies is the best service. They offer you the best service. Secondly, they will always go the extra mile to assist you. And the one thing I still appreciate about them, the e-learning endeavor keeps you informed, and it also keeps you with the trends that are currently happening within the industry. Big ups to you. You got the best team.